Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abdulwahid Falorisha Akinyemi. I represent Century 21st Freedom Group. Laguna Vida project is an international cash flow services and lifestyle packages that enable qualified individuals to tap into cash flow compounding business services to generate funds or project of their choice. It also allows you to access discounted and free lifestyle packages globally, and also enables you to access effective health maintenance organization services like HMO. It also enables you to own your own dream home through our e-blog channel. It also allows you to access discounted and free vacation across the globe. So Laguna Vida has been of help to me, and it has helped a lot of other people. It has also raised a lot of millionaires all around, both home and abroad. And a lot of people have owned the car of their choice, they've owned the home of their dream, they've also gotten a lot of projects started, their business started through